Well, we're getting near Floyd here, and we're trying to get to the reunion, and we're getting stopped by the tractor parade. They just keep on coming. Have you ever had to wait for a tractor train? Well, there's more.
I think some people sitting on the couch in the back.
What in the world?
Look at.
Only in Floyd. Oh, this is putting along. They got police stopping us for the tractor parade.
Half of them are John
Where are
Deere.
they going?
From one farm to another.
That's got to be all.
Please say that's all.
No, he's still standing. The police is still stopping the road. There's another one.
This guy has an umbrella.
In case it rains. There's a red belly. Apparently there's some slow ones. Come on. I know you're there.
It's the intersection of
122 and Booth Creek Road.
No, you're dyslexic. It's 221.
Oh, 221, sorry. Yeah, 221.
King's Store Road on the one side and Booth,
Yeah, the straggler here.
Booth Creek on the other.
Oh,
He diverted. Oh, here's
No, we
a
have
whole
a-
slew of people.
we have a squad here.
Yeah. We're in Franklin County. Is this still Franklin County?
I think we're in Floyd now.
I guess Floyd is another county.
Yeah.
You would see this in Franklin County too. I'm
What
sure.
is this?
Smile. Little pipe.
That's a boxcar on the back.
I should have been counting. How many is it?
I don't know. There's no way you
there's
can
an
keep up.
antique one.
That one's so old it can't go, so he's hauling it.
A little baby one behind it.
They're in camp chairs.
How come we didn't bring our tractor out for this? Oh.
We're in the Scion tractor. I don't think it counts.
Come on, tractors, we're hungry.
It's got to be a world record for tractor crossing something. Look at this, they got a covered wagon. He's got air conditioning. This video is almost going on 4 minutes now, and I didn't start it, you know, when it first started. Now tell me something. How come we can get tickets for not wearing our seatbelt, but you get in the back of a tractor and you can ride in a camp chair? And the police, they know about it because they're stopping the traffic for this event. So it ain't like, you know, they're like getting by with it. So I don't get it. I got stopped at a road check just for being out earlier, didn't I? I was just out driving my car. And he says, "Can I see your license?" I said, "Did I do something wrong?" He said, "No, I just need to see it." There you go. It's a shame.
Is that the end?
Oh, the police.
No.
Nope. Well, we had a straggler there.
Bringing up the rear.
5 minutes of tractors. I hope you enjoyed that. Now we can get to. Oh, no, there's another one. That's not a tractor. I think that's the end of the parade there. All right, so we'll see you at Reese.